Well, he likes the dog.
Yeah, I know he likes the jug, but he likes the lid too, okay?
He likes the dog.
Yeah, but he wants the lid. Can you show him how to do it?
Do this outfit for you. An outfit for you. Thanks. You pay all for me. Thank you. Stack. We'll have fun.
Yeah, he has thumbs. Did you ask me if he had thumbs?
Yeah.
Of course he has thumbs. Do you see his thumbs?
Yeah.
Can you show him how to open it with his thumbs?
No. He has cows. Okay. I don't know. Lights on.
I know, the light's on in his room because I haven't opened the blinds in there yet. It's still kind of early.
Oh, that turned it on and get stuck outside.
His night light comes on when it gets dark outside.
No.
Dylan, that's Brett. Do you see him on there? Do you see him?
Ooh.
Ooh, that's cold. Yeah, your milk's real cold.
Ooh. The food you can feel it.
Look, Dylan's playing the drums. Go, 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 Dylan.
He has the... Yay! He's calling. Get his toys.
He's going to get some more toys out of there, isn't he?
Oh, he's feeling it. Thank you.
It's bright over there in his face.
Thank you. Get this. Oh, he's feeling. Hold up.
He pulled the whole drawer out, didn't he?
Yeah.
Is it a drawer?
No.
What is it?
It's a basket.
Oh, it's a basket.
It's a basket for the toys.
It's a basket for the toys. That's right. All done.
Bye, camera.